to depart. Ruach from heaven, Spirit of truth, fill me again, renew me in you. 50 days from the Lamb that was slain, you poured out your Spirit like mine.